Looking for that one-of-a-kind property? This charming property offers over 2,100 square feet of living space, featuring 4 bedrooms with 3 full bathrooms. Looking for that one-of-a-kind property? Enjoy breakfast in your eat-in kitchen. With loads of upgrades throughout. This home was recently renovated. Spacious bedrooms, vaulted ceilings. This property is priced to sell. For more information or to schedule a showing, please contact the listing agent.